Hello everyone, and welcome back to Celestial Symphony. The notion of unlocking the full potential of our brain has captivated human imagination for centuries. While the idea that we only use 10% of our brain is a myth, let's embark on a speculative journey to explore what might happen if we were to utilize varying percentages of our brain's capacity, from 10% all the way to 100%. While this concept resides in the realm of imagination, it offers an opportunity to contemplate the fascinating possibilities that could arise. 10%. Expanding cognitive abilities. In this scenario, we would be making better use of our existing cognitive abilities. Memory retention, problem-solving skills, and creativity might be enhanced. Learning new skills could become more efficient, potentially revolutionizing education. While this might not grant us superhuman powers, it could lead to more fulfilling lives and increased productivity. 20%. Enhanced sensory perception. With a higher percentage of brain capacity engaged, our sensory perception could vastly improve. We might experience heightened senses, allowing us to appreciate the world in ways currently unimaginable. Colors might appear more vivid, sounds might be crisper, and our sense of touch could be exquisitely refined. Our brains could process sensory information in more intricate ways, allowing us to perceive the world from multiple angles simultaneously. This heightened, multidimensional perception could foster a deeper understanding of spatial relationships and connections between objects and events. Enhanced sensory perception might also influence our perception of time. We could become more attuned to subtle shifts and changes in our surroundings, perceiving the passage of time in a more nuanced manner. This heightened temporal awareness could lead to a profound appreciation of the present moment. As our sensory experiences become richer, nonverbal forms of communication could flourish. Gestures, facial expressions, and even subtler cues could convey intricate layers of meaning, facilitating a deeper level of understanding and connection between individuals. 30%. Heightened empathy and emotional intelligence. At this level, we could witness a remarkable advancement in emotional intelligence. Our ability to understand and empathize with others' feelings could greatly expand, leading to improved relationships and societal harmony. Deeper emotional connections might foster a more compassionate and empathetic world. 40%. Mastery of multiple disciplines. With increased brain capacity, the pursuit of knowledge could reach new heights. Mastery of multiple disciplines could become feasible, allowing individuals to switch between various fields of expertise seamlessly. This could accelerate innovation and lead to groundbreaking discoveries. 50%. Enhanced telepathic abilities. As we cross the halfway mark, the realm of science fiction becomes more pronounced. At 50%, the brain's capacity might facilitate a form of limited telepathy, enabling us to communicate non-verbally and share thoughts directly. This could revolutionize communication and interpersonal relationships. Direct mind-to-mind communication. At this level of brain utilization, individuals might possess the extraordinary ability to communicate directly with one another through thought alone. Words spoken or written could become secondary as thoughts and emotions are shared instantaneously between individuals, transcending language barriers and cultural differences. 60%. Manipulation of physical reality. With 60% brain utilization, the power to manipulate the physical world through sheer thought could emerge. Objects might be moved or transformed using focused mental energy, akin to telekinesis portrayed in fiction. At this level of brain utilization, individuals might possess the power of telekinesis, enabling them to move, reshape, and manipulate objects with the power of their minds. Everyday tasks such as lifting heavy objects, rearranging furniture, or constructing intricate structures might be accomplished effortlessly through focused mental energy. The manipulation of physical reality could extend beyond moving objects. Imagine the ability to materialize objects from thin air, or transform one substance into another with a mere thought. This power might redefine manufacturing, construction, and resource management on a global scale. Exploration of space and time with enhanced physical manipulation might extend our reach beyond Earth. Spacecraft and probes could be maneuvered with precision, enabling unprecedented exploration of distant planets and celestial bodies. Moreover, manipulation of time and space could lead to breakthroughs in understanding the fabric of the universe. 70%. Control over biological functions. At this level, we could potentially exert control over our body's physiological functions, such as heart rate, metabolism, and even cellular regeneration. Health and well-being might reach unparalleled levels as we actively manage our bodily processes. Mastery of biological functions could lead to breakthroughs in disease prevention and treatment. Viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens might be targeted and eliminated through focused mental intent, revolutionizing the field of medicine and eradicating many sources of human suffering. Control over biological functions might extend the aging process itself. While not a complete halt to aging, individuals could influence the rate at which their cells age, potentially leading to longer and healthier lifespans. 80%. Multi-dimensional perception. As our brain's capacity approaches its upper limits, the nature of reality itself could shift. Concepts of time and space might become more fluid, granting us a multi-dimensional perspective beyond our current understanding. At this level of brain utilization, individuals might experience an expanded sense of space. Perceiving additional dimensions could grant a deeper understanding of spatial relationships, enabling us to navigate and interact with environments in ways previously unimagined. Multi-dimensional perception might extend the perception of time as a multidimensional construct. Individuals could become attuned to the intricate interplay of past, present, and future, potentially leading to a heightened ability to anticipate events and make informed decisions. Imagine the ability to visualize alternate versions of reality that exist in parallel dimensions. These glimpses into different possibilities could inform decision-making and provide insights into the consequences of various choices. With multidimensional perception, the concept of travel might take on a new meaning. Individuals could envision and navigate through alternate realities, potentially leading to a form of interdimensional exploration and communication. 90%. Unity with the cosmos. At 90% utilization, the boundaries between self and universe could blur. Heightened spiritual experiences and a deep sense of interconnectedness with the cosmos might lead to profound insights about existence and consciousness. At this level of brain utilization, individuals might experience a heightened awareness of their connection to the universe. A deep understanding of cosmic forces, cycles, and patterns could lead to insights about the nature of existence, the origin of the cosmos, and the role of humanity within the grand tapestry of creation. Multidimensional experiences and a sense of oneness could expand individual consciousness beyond the confines of an ordinary perception. Individuals might experience a sense of being interconnected with all living beings and the universe itself, leading to a profound shift in their understanding of self and reality. Unity with the cosmos might lead to transcendent experiences that challenge conventional notions of time, space, and identity. These experiences could evoke feelings of awe, wonder, and a deep sense of purpose, leading individuals to explore the spiritual and metaphysical dimensions of existence. With unity with the cosmos, healing and wellness could extend beyond the physical realm. Individuals might tap into cosmic energies and vibrations to promote balance and harmony within their bodies, minds, and spirits. Imagine the ability to access a universal repository of knowledge and wisdom that transcends individual lifetimes. Insights about ancient civilizations, universal truths, and the mysteries of the cosmos might become accessible through deep states of consciousness. 100% Transcendence and Beyond. The pinnacle of brain utilization raises the prospect of transcending human limitations entirely. The nature of reality, consciousness, and existence could be fundamentally altered, opening doors to experiences and understandings that lie far beyond our current comprehension. At this level of brain utilization, individuals might achieve a state of total awareness that encompasses all aspects of existence. This profound understanding might encompass the intricacies of the universe, the nature of consciousness, and the interconnectedness of all things. The boundaries between self and universe might dissolve, leading to a non-dual perception of reality. Individuals could experience a sense of oneness with everything, transcending the limitations of individual identity and ego. Reaching 100% brain utilization could potentially lead to a transcendent experience of time and space. Individuals might gain sights into the nature of time as a multidimensional construct and explore dimensions beyond the conventional 3 dimensions. With transcendence, the power of conscious creation might become a reality. Individuals could shape and manifest their intentions directly into reality, blurring the line between thought and physical manifestation. Transcendence could open the door to exploring existence beyond the physical realm. Individuals might access alternate dimensions, realms of existence, or states of being that go beyond our current understanding. While the idea of utilizing varying percentages of our brain's capacity is an intriguing concept, it's important to emphasize that our current understanding of brain function does not support this speculative scenario. The brain is a complex organ with a myriad of interconnections and functions that science is only beginning to unravel. Nevertheless, contemplating these possibilities offers a unique lens through which we can explore the potential of human cognition and the boundaries of imagination. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the brain, we must remain grounded in scientific knowledge while embracing the wonder of what might be possible in the boundless realm of human potential. And that's gonna bring us to the end of the video. And make sure to tell us in the comments, what do you think the maximum brain percent a human can reach is? And don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and consider hitting the subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. We want to thank you so much for watching. This has been Celestial Symphony. We'll see you in the next video.